Coming bull run in crypto. Why you now need to prepare for the upcoming crypto bull run. Recently, the cryptocurrency market has been quite the roller coaster, but it appears that things may be turning around, and it might be the right time to invest. But how do you come back from crypto's downfall and earn sweet profits from it? If you have the right plan, insight, and resources, you can make the most of this profitable time. And we're here to provide you with all the information on how to do that. The next cryptocurrency bull run is unavoidable. It's not a matter of if it will happen, but rather when. Markets go through cycles, and knowing this fundamental fact about how markets operate will keep you warm even in the dead of crypto winter. First of all, let's understand exactly what a bull run is. The cryptocurrency market is subject to significant seasonal swings. These swings are defined by bull runs, which are periods of growth, price, and adoption increases. These bull runs are frequently followed by bear markets, which are periods of declining prices. Investors who get in on the right coins before a bull run can usually cash in on huge profits. In 2021, we saw a classic case of a cryptocurrency bull run. For the majority of 2021, cryptocurrency prices rose, with many reaching new all-time highs in November. Since cryptocurrency was all the rage at the time, many celebrities, including Matt Damon, Reese Witherspoon, LeBron James, and Larry David, invested in it. During a real bull market, most investors are buying. There's more demand than supply, and prices go up. But why are experts saying there is going to be a bull run? Many events can cause a bull run, and right now many of them are happening. Before we tell you about that, though, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss any videos in the future. Government oversight of cryptography. Countries' stances on cryptocurrencies remain divided, with some, like China, banning them completely, and others, like El Salvador, buying the BTC dip to the tune of $15 million. More generally, the European Union announced its Markets in Crypto Assets in June of 2022, intending to bring crypto asset issuers, and crypto asset service providers under a system of regulation for the first time. Investors who have been holding off on entering the cryptocurrency market out of fear of non-compliance may be attracted if regulations are made clearer. Inflation in both crypto and fiat currencies. A media report shows that the Turkish lira has depreciated by about 47% over the past year. The U.S. inflation rate is nearing 8%, which is the highest level in 40 years. Inflation rates in some European countries have reached all-time highs, largely due to increases in the cost of energy. Most fiat currencies around the world are struggling with inflation, which could lead to an increase in Bitcoin adoption as people look for a way to protect themselves from currency devaluation. Crypto altcoins. While Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, there are tens of thousands more like it, and this number is only expected to grow. If specialized altcoins, representing specific projects, solving specific problems, or simply being more sustainable and energy-efficient cryptocurrencies can become popular among investors, the entire cryptocurrency market could enter a bull run. A rise in demand for an alternative cryptocurrency like Cardano, which some have called the next Ethereum killer, could trigger the next cryptocurrency bull run. Limited supplies and crypto. The concept of halving is also significant, especially when thinking about BTC. About every 4 years, or whenever 210,000 new blocks are added to the blockchain, the Bitcoin reward is halved. The reward for Bitcoin miners, the people who run the specialized equipment that verifies transactions and creates new tokens, is reduced by half as a result of the event. The goal is to slow the rate at which new Bitcoin is created. Each block mined currently rewards miners with 6.25 Bitcoin. This means that their computer had the necessary computing power to solve the cryptographic puzzles that protect the Bitcoin network from being compromised. This reward will drop to 3.125 BTC after the next Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin bulls argue that this will help drive the price higher by increasing the currency's scarcity. The total number of Bitcoins that have ever existed or will ever exist in circulation will never exceed 21 million. This is guaranteed by the halving mechanism, which will reduce Bitcoin mining rewards to zero in the far-off future. According to data provided by CC Data, the price of Bitcoin increased by 19% in the 12 months before the last halving, which occurred on May 11, 2020, from $7,191.36 to $8,568.88. Before that halving, which happened on July 9, 2016, Bitcoin had jumped 142% over the previous 12 months, from $269.14 to $651.83. The next Bitcoin halving is scheduled for 2024, and some analysts, including Huobi's co-founder Du Jun, believes that this is when the cryptocurrency will experience its next bull run. Which crypto will explode in 2023? When thinking about what causes cryptocurrency prices to rise, many factors come into play. The price and value of crypto, just like traditional assets, are tied to a range of external factors, from good old-fashioned supply and demand to competition to technological developments and even things like celebrity endorsements. Recent geopolitical instability is a clear example of how social and political variables affect how investors buy or sell. It's important to consider the influence of a select group of investors when predicting which cryptocurrencies will rise in 2022. Cryptocurrency whales, investors with large holdings of a single cryptocurrency relative to the market as a whole, are often responsible for setting off price spikes. MicroStrategy, for instance, is estimated to have 121,044 bitcoins in its possession. If it were to sell all those bitcoins, the market price would likely skyrocket. Bloomberg believes this to be the case, saying that in 2017 a single whale drove up the price of BTC. Which cryptocurrency do you think will see the greatest growth in the year 2023? Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are stable investments, but Ethereum is the better pick because of the imminent release of its 2.0 update. Many alternative cryptocurrencies, including Cardano, Solana, Uniswap, and Decentraland, are frequently discussed. With the abundance of resources now at your disposal, discovering new cryptocurrency coins is easier than ever. There are likely many coins that are undervalued because there are anywhere from 10,000 to 19,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation. It may be difficult, but not impossible, to identify the top 2023 cryptocurrency investments. Now, what should be your next step if you want to earn from this bull run? Number 1. Learn about crypto. First, it's important to study the market thoroughly before putting money into any cryptocurrency. Learn the basics of cryptography first. Get educated on blockchain, mining, and the inner workings of cryptocurrency transactions. Use reputable resources like white papers, official project websites, and cryptocurrency news sites to learn as much as possible. 2. Invest in the right cryptocurrency. Make sure you're putting your money into the right cryptocurrencies so you can maximize your returns. Some cryptocurrencies will do better than others during the current bull run because they're not all created equal. One tactic is to invest in cryptocurrency projects that have already proven themselves. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are just a few examples. One alternative is to put money into emerging cryptocurrencies that have both promising underlying technology and widespread user support. Let us know in the comments if you want us to make a video on potential cryptocurrencies in 2023. 3. Diversify your portfolio. One way to diversify your portfolio is to buy a variety of cryptocurrencies. You can diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio by purchasing a combination of established, emerging, and specialized coins. Investing in various submarkets of the cryptocurrency exchange is yet another method of spreading your risk. Privacy coins, smart contract platforms, and stable coins are just a few of the many applications of cryptocurrencies. You can improve your odds of making a profit by investing in more than one of these areas. 4. Pay attention to market trends. Market trends have a major impact on the value of cryptocurrencies. By keeping tabs on market movements, investors can increase their chances of making a profit. Technical analysis is a method that can be used to observe market movements. By looking at market behavior in the past, technical analysts can make educated guesses about where prices are headed in the future. Social sentiment analysis is another method for monitoring market developments. Analyzing the crypto community's online mood and perspective requires social sentiment analysis. Market sentiment and potential price movements can be better understood with this data. And number 5, know about risk management. Risk management is essential for safeguarding investments and maximizing returns. Employ stop-loss orders as a trading strategy. When a cryptocurrency's price reaches a predetermined threshold, a stop-loss order is executed. If the price of the cryptocurrency drops unexpectedly, the strategy can help cushion the blow. Finally, don't lose sight of the big picture. The value of a cryptocurrency may fluctuate rapidly at times, but it typically increases over time. So if you see temporary price drops, don't freak out. Instead, you should think about the underlying structure and long-term viability of the cryptocurrency. In the end, the big question remains: when will the next crypto run begin? No one can answer that accurately, but it will happen soon, and getting ready beforehand can earn you a large profit. When do you think the next bull run will happen? Share with us in the comments. Also, like the video and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on to keep up to date with new videos.